morning everybody, just leaving Poliggiora della Tercia. Sounds like something from a hardware store, doesn't it? But a beautiful village. Got my own room last night in a posada, and it was really very lovely. This is supposed to be the best walk of the Salvador today. Unfortunately the weather's not quite with me yet. Still got high hopes that the cloud might disperse, or at least if it stops raining I can get the drone out for a little bit. But it's a 20k day, a lot of uphill right at the start, and then it's all downhill from the highest point, which I think is about 1,800 meters, something like that. So come on, let's see what this gorgeous best day of the Salvador has got to offer.
Drive them out. If you want to, we can leave this town and take you above the clouds. Ooh. Whatever you see in your heart line, fine, give it to me, I don't takes a lot to polish every thought, but I won't leave you now, I won't leave you now. So we fell, but we can work it out while we get back up. Your heart line, blame it on me, I don't mind. Ooh. Whatever it is, we'll be fine. Give it to me, I don't mind. Whatever you see in your heart line, blame it on me, I don't mind. Whatever it is, we'll be fine. Give it to me, I don't mind.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat, every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. someone like me, for someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you